Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get caustic wax. This specialized material, known for its unique properties, is not typically found in common stores. We'll delve into understanding what caustic wax entails, where you might source its components, and the essential steps for safe acquisition or preparation. To obtain caustic wax, you'll likely need to source its individual components. This involves identifying the precise chemicals needed, often including a strong alkali and a specific wax base. Always purchase these raw materials from certified chemical suppliers to guarantee purity and quality, which is crucial for the final product's integrity and safety. Preparing caustic wax requires strict adherence to safety protocols. Always work in a fume hood or a very well-ventilated space, wearing chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and a lab coat. Carefully combine your sourced components according to established chemical synthesis procedures. Once prepared, store the caustic wax securely in robust, labeled containers designed for corrosive materials. Caustic wax finds its niche in various industrial applications, such as specialized surface preparation or as a component in certain chemical formulations. Remember, its corrosive nature demands extreme caution. Always review the material safety data sheet for specific handling, storage, and disposal instructions. For more great deals and product recommendations, including a link for some incredibly durable socks, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.